Joan is here at CR Components. Today we're going to do a disassembly of the Torque Hub gearbox. We're going to start with whether your oil plugs are on top or on the side. You're going to want to take at least one out before you try to take off that end cover. Gets rid of the suction on your end cover, so it actually comes out relatively easy. Then we're going to go ahead and take that snap ring off the end cover. Once that is off, I'm going to go ahead and pop the end cover off as well. Once we have that off, I like to start with the sun gear. Always take that out first, take a flathead right underneath it. Sometimes you gotta smack it. Be careful that you're not hitting straight onto the metal there. Get under it and just lift it right up. Should come out pretty easy. Once it's that out, you can either take a lady's foot if you're having trouble taking these out. You can set it underneath one of the gears and pull it out. These ones look pretty loose, so they just pop right out like that. Sometimes your inner gear set washer will stick to your outer gear set, so be wary of that. Again, with the inner gear set, you can also take 2 ladies' feet to lift it out, or you can grab right in there if it's pretty loose like this one is, so it should just pop right out like that. And just like that, you're already down to your nut. Here at CR Components, we have our own nut tool. So if you don't have one yet, make sure you buy one from us. Pop that right down in there. And this nut actually is loose already. Most of the time it's not going to happen, so what you would want to do is you either get a breaker bar. We have our own little tool here as well. And a lot of times you can just force it right loose. Spin that sucker off. That nut will come right out of there. Once that is off, I like to get a little leverage on this thing so I get above it and lift it straight off. And just like that, your gearbox is disassembled. But now I can show you guys really quickly the disassembly of your gear sets. Inner gear set and your outer gear set. Go ahead and start with the inner. This one's real simple. You just have to knock the posts out. I'll go ahead and set this in the vise. You're gonna punch with a decently flat end on it because it's gonna be going up against the post on the other side here. And a pretty hefty hammer. Gonna go ahead and knock this one out. Just gonna kind of want to center your punch right in the middle of that post. Now really you're just breaking the needle, that needle pin in there. Once that's broken, it will kind of just start slipping through. Be careful not to launch it. Once that is out, we'll take our punch out. And your gear with the washers and the bearings inside, oops, will all slip right out. Then you just repeat with the other 4. Once you are done, you will have those needle pins in your post still. You will have to knock those out before reassembly and put new ones back in. Go ahead and move on to our outer gear set now. For this one, you are going to need some snap ring pliers to get off those snap rings. Once you take that off, it's really simple. You just go ahead and lift that off. you are going to lose your bearings most of the time like that. Sometimes this normally sticks down there, you're going to lose your bearings either way. Then you repeat that with the other ones, and you just simply press out your posts in your press.